Hey everybody, this is Darnell, and so I received this package in the mail. It's been a couple days actually now, and I did cut it open, but I have not taken anything out, so I wanted to share with you what I received. This is from Christina Welch. Thank you, Christina. And oh, I see the erasers. So this is the Pourage Posse paint. Oh wow, you can see the shimmer in it too. So this is Morning Pansies Shimmer. There should be 12 bottles in here. So I'm going to get rid of these peanuts and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. We have all 12 of them. I'm so excited to use them. Look at these colors. Wow, this one right here, I think, is my favorite already. Of course, it's blue. So I got this package on Friday, and I had a craft show yesterday, and getting home and opening this box so I could do some painting. So Christina, I thank you for these. And I will be doing some painting with them soon, and I'll let you guys know what they turn out like. These colors are beautiful, and I didn't get silicone in mine. I don't use it in every painting, so I thought I can just put it in a cup or something if I need to add it. But yeah, this is wonderful. I'm so excited to try it. So thanks for joining, and I will have some paintings with these beautiful colors soon.